We're joined today by Dr. Bibin Cherin. Dr. Cherin, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Bibin Cherin. I was born in India and then moved to Oklahoma City whenever I was 2 years old. I graduated from Mustang High School and then undergrad at the University of Central Oklahoma in Edmond. And then I'm a proud graduate of the NSUOCO class of 2020, so graduated right in the middle of the pandemic. And then currently doing my residency in ocular disease and refractive surgery in Oklahoma City. Planning on working in Edmond after at a practice called Bespoke Vision. Just got married recently. Met my wife actually at optometry's meeting. And so she's an eye doctor in Edmond. We're planning on settling around that area, and pretty much all about me.
So tell us a little bit about your experience while you were a student here at NSUOCO.
Absolutely. So 3 things I'd mention is, first off, the education I think is second to none. Thankfully, Oklahoma has such a great scope of practice, and I think during my time here, I got to learn a lot and do everything I was trained to do. As far as classes, I really, again, enjoy the small class sizes. I feel like I've built a lot of lifelong friends, and there's, again, a small class, a family type feel, and I really enjoyed that aspect of it. And then also, I really want to thank the faculty and the administration, because they're very supportive for students to be involved even outside of the classroom. So things like attending academy or optometry's meeting and being very involved. And those are aspects that I don't think students across the nation have necessarily. And so I really enjoyed that aspect.
So did anything in particular stand out about your clinical experience?
Yeah, so clinic-wise, I think it's fantastic because we have so many different clinics. So we've got diabetic, we've got glaucoma, we've got VT, low vision. So you get exposure to all the different fields. And so with that coming in, whether you thought that you wanted to do a particular field or not, you were exposed to everything. And it just gives you a better chance to really truly advocate for your patient and know the best route of treatment for your patient and just have a well-rounded experience altogether.
So Dr. Cherin, during your time here as a student, you were president of the American Optometric Student Association, or AOSA. Tell us about your time as president of the AOSA. Being president of the AOSA and just being involved with the AOSA was one of the best experiences I had during optometry school. And I first off want to thank the faculty and the administration for being very supportive of that. I know not every student across the nation, they have that opportunity. And I know faculty here were very understanding, and they don't want students to just be involved in just textbook. They want you outside of that and being involved, and that contributes to the positive overall experience. During my time with AOSA, I was able to not only travel, but network and meet students from all across the country, kind of see what things are going, how things are going. It also showed me the importance of legislation in optometry. And so overall, that definitely contributed a positive experience for me. It's something I'm going to continue to build on. So, Dr. Cherin, we've had some exciting developments around here lately, embarking on a new building project. What are your thoughts about the new building? So first off, I'm super excited for the incoming students, the faculty, the residents, because I think a new building will truly elevate the experience. I think during my time here, just the small clinic rooms and this being a hospital outfitted into an optometry clinic, I think had some rooms, very small rooms, but having a new building, I think that's going to be huge for not only recruiting, but for students in their experience and getting the state-of-the-art equipment. Thankfully, during my 4th year, I was able to do that at CNOC, at the New Cherokee Nation Outpatient Health Clinic, and I'm hoping that NSU for future students can have that same experience here, so all the way across. So I think it's very important for people to give, because thankfully we had a great experience and great learning education at NSUOCO, but I think to further the education for students in the future and help raise Oklahoma to another level, because our scope of practice is great, our state association is great, and now to have a new building for future students, I think that would be fantastic. And thankfully we've had a great education. I think it'd be fantastic if people continue to give, so that way we can make this a reality. We've been talking to Dr. Bibin Cherin, former student and current resident through NSUOCO. We've been talking with him about the new building project. Dr. Cherin, thank you for your time. Thank you for having me. If you'd like to know more about the building project and potentially contribute to our campaign, please visit nsugiving.com/OCO Vision.